Hey guys, Fake Wojo here. GLD, Wednesday, January 15th. GLD is playing like I hoped it would. It gave us those pops. I got out of the positions, and it's playing back down to its EMA. In my previous video, I said if it plays back to its EMA, which it should because it's kind of like a magnet, I'd get in a quarter of my position. And we're in. I only placed a quarter because you never know when this thing might gap back down to 115, 116. If it does, I'll put on the full position. But right now, I wish I put on a little bit more because I think the gap action is going to stay above the EMA. That is in my opinion only. The MACD is playing up above zero. It's starting to. The EMAs are turning. The EMA has turned above the blue line, which is a bullish call. So this thing might kind of bounce like a bouncing ball up to 123, 125. I do have professional friends, traders, who are saying that gold is going to play above 123 by March. So I am back in and hoping to play 123. The other thing is I hate to be out of positions in gold because you never know when the manipulation will stop and this thing will gap up to 130 or even 150, 170. You never know. So I do want to be in gold whenever possible. The other trade that I love is XLE is a beautiful trade. This is a trader's dream chart. If it plays near 85 again, I'll probably get back in 85.25, something like that. But it's a perfect position for a long, if you will, in energy, because energy has had a great winter, and that's something we want to play. Halliburton, I'm playing a call spread above 50 by March, and we had a nice pop, and it's above the EMA, so we're looking good for that. I'll probably pull off. It's to March, but if in February, if it's above 50, I might pull my position down and get out of the trade. I'm up pretty well with my positioning, and I'm just worried about the taper and QE and all that. I mean, this thing could crater at any minute, so, and we've seen capitulation to that effect, so I'd probably get out of this thing February. We're in good. We got good profits now. I could take it down now, but I want to get a couple more points on that. And another interesting, if you want to play a market neutral, here's a great market neutral. So if you go long contracts HAL and short contracts XLE, there's a huge disparity with the percentage gain. So this thing's going to make a lot more money than it's going to lose if you're long Halliburton and you're short XLE. So go long 10 contracts, do a leap maybe, 10 contracts, 20 contracts, and short or buy puts for XLE, 10, 20 contracts, the same amount, and hopefully within 6 months, you'd be making much more profit. So you'd probably be making 25% more, 20% more than the short was giving you. So those are the ones I'm playing. Gold, obviously. Burke B, the trade was wonderful. We were shorting Burke B, the baby Burks as they're called, shorting above 118 down. And I didn't get to check I'm kicking myself because I usually place the trade and then forget about it at 114. I forgot to place the trade at 114 to go back long. So if it gets anywhere close to 114, I might dive back in. We're at 115.85. If we got a long way to go back down to get 114 to get back in. The other trade I am looking at right now is IAG, which is a speculative call. It's at $3.81. I was long a lot of contracts. This is huge, and I made some good money here. Came back down and I got in for the same amount as I did, was under 350. So I'm long again. This one's probably about 100 contracts long, and I'm playing this up to I think I have a $7 strike price. Playing this for 2 years, and I think if it gets anywhere close to 5 within 6 months, we'll be pretty good with a nice position. This is mimicking gold. There's not too much volatility, and the volume is kind of light, so the volatility is really low, so I can probably get out of the position with not too much of a loss if it goes against me. But we have crossed, or we're about to cross. MACD is coming up over 0, and this is looking to trend up at least to 4 again. And even if we hit 4, I'll probably maybe pull down the position and maybe leave 10 contracts on and ride that for a year or 2 years. But that is it. Gold, again, doing very well. GLD, playing that EMA. This is a nice bouncing ball. So hopefully it'll hit the Bollinger Band 121, 122, maybe. But if it plays up, sell off and wait for the correction again. Other than that, again, Halliburton's looking good, and that is it. There was one other one I did have that I can't remember. I wanted to talk to you guys about. UNH, it may have been UNH. No, that was it. Talk to you guys later. Bye.